Right, okay. Now, आता आम्ही जायते उलोयली. So it's time to have some fun. So are you ready? to
We
play the
are
rapid
always
fire
ready.
round?
I'm always ready.
All right, rapid fire round with Samiksha. Are you ready?
I'm always ready.
Okay, let's get started. I know this is going to be exciting now.
Yeah.
What's your
hopefully.
favorite time of the year?
Any time is my favorite time.
All right. What's the first thing you notice when it comes to someone from the opposite gender?
Opposite gender. Honesty.
Okay. What is the biggest mess you've ever made in the kitchen? Don't
I'm-
lie now.
I'm always messy. I'm telling you, you should come with me.
All right. Sleeping in a tent or a hotel?
Tent.
Tent.
I'm
you
a
love?
nature lover.
Wow. If you could look like someone famous, who would it be? And why?
I love myself.
Okay, good. एक scene from a TV show जी तू केन्नाच विसरपा ना.
TV show. I think this daily show is always crying when crying. I'm a happy person,
Okay.
so I can't tell you right now any exact scene, you know.
Alright, okay. How good are you with budgeting money?
Don't ask me that.
Is it the story of every girl? Every woman? Okay.
Kind of.
एका दिसा तू कितल्यो सेल्फी काडटा?
I'm a selfie person. I think I love clicking. I was just trying to click ours
Did you
just
take it
now.
now?
No,
Okay,
but we
after
will
this
do
you
it.
take. Alright, okay. What is the last thing you liked on social media?
What I liked, there are so many things here, but I usually don't follow social media. Every news I don't follow, so I will
Alright.
not say
Okay.
a particular one.
तुका कोणाची चोड भिरांत दिसता?
Maka, when I was small, I used to get scared of ghost.
Ghost.
I think still
Till
it's
now?
there somewhere.
Okay. What is the stupidest dare you've ever agreed to?
I'm a very adventurous person. I think I keep doing that.
Okay. What phrase do you find yourself typing most?
Typing most. Any.
Any.
Yeah.
Any.
Yeah.
Alright. What is the favorite part of this job?
Creativity.
Okay. Your recent TV ad?
I think I'd done Asian Paint, but it was quite some time back.
Okay. तुका राग केन्ना येता?
I'm a very shant person actually, you know, shant. But
Okay, you don't get angry?
I'm a very patient person. but
I'm getting the
but
feedback this time.
yeah, so चुकून आयलो जाल्यार it's
Okay. Alright, well played. Moving on to Prasad. Are you ready?
I'm half ready.
Okay. तू कोई रावता?
What is that?
Okay. What surprises you?
I don't get surprised very easily.
Okay. Do you have your own Netflix account or do you use somebody else's?
I use somebody else's everything.
Work or travel?
Work.
Okay. तुझा best friend कोण? Oh, there's a tricky time.
Oh, myself.
Yourself. If you had said something else, no, तुका video call करूला पचायला. So best you did. What was your first job?
The one that I mentioned.
Okay. What word do you hate hearing?
No,
No. Okay. What
like
is
can't. Negativity.
What is your favorite store?
Favorite?
Store.
Store.
This question had to be asked that side.
I
बरे झाले
Coincidentally
बरे
came
झाले.
this
I
side.
don't go any stores rather than my own 24/7.
I knew you would say this. What is the most interesting thing you have in your purse or wallet right now?
I don't carry a wallet or a purse.
Wallet you don't carry.
I
Good.
just carry my license and card.
Alright, so currently breakfast तक तुवें कितें खाल्लेलें?
Omelette and bread.
Your favorite movie line?
Kal ho na ho.
कल हो ना हो. Which co-worker makes you laugh?
Of course, you have to take my name.
I have to stop that person laughing. Not only me, the whole crew.
Alright, तुझे तकलीन कितें येता? जेन्ना हांव हें word म्हणटा. Fruit.
Fruit came.
Fruit. Fruit येयलें?
Apple.
Alright. Apple? केन्ना तरी तुवें कोणाचें कितें चोरलां?
240.
Yeah? My God. Alright. Tell us last lie that you told someone.
Sometime back, I guess I told a lie.
What was the lie?
I'll tell it later.